Say no, no, Dada. No, no, Dada. Claire keeps telling on Daddy. He has stolen the baskets as shoes. Now, your basket is ready. And Claire always has the green basket and Tao always has the white basket, I think. Tao likes the airplane, Angie. I think that means she's ready to fly home. Or maybe she knows you're on an airplane right now. Or getting ready to be on an airplane. Who are you talking to? Claire? Yin? Yin? Hannah? Jada, Tao. Jada, Tao. No tricks. What you got? Claire, what do you have? I know. Do you have a pan? You scooping it up out of your basket? You're funny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh and no. Our two favorite English words.
What's this?
Oh, I just use them on my hands, so they're okay.